Trading can get confusing at times, you know. It takes time, it takes focus, it takes some level of consistency and some level of perseverance and self-examination to actually succeed in trading. So in this video, I'm basically going to be talking about ways you can make money as a beginner in trading, right? And one of the good ways you can do that is through copy trading. So I'm going to be talking about copy trading using my phone. You know, for those of you that have been learning and still are in the journey of learning, but you want to find a way to earn while you're still learning, copy trading is one of the best way to leverage while you're still learning how to navigate the market yourself. So right now I'm going to be using Headway as a case study for that. They have a bunch of other brokers doing copy trading, but there are not many in Nigeria. XNS is down, XNS copy trading is down, OptaFS is up, I think, and then a few others. FBS is also down. So for the purpose of this video, I am going to be using Headway as a case study account. If you want to create an account with Headway, click on the link on my bio. Check below this video, you will see the link on my bio. Create an account, fund it. Right now, focus on the video. Let me explain. So when you create an account under the link on my bio, you're going to see your dashboard like this. The first thing you're going to do, because I'm trying to make this video as brief as possible, but at the same time I want to make sure you understand what I'm trying to explain. So you go to the copy trading area. We have IB, we have Git Shop, we have copy trading, we have contents. And if you're going to be going in as a trader, meaning you want people to copy your trade, you choose the trader area. If you want to be an investor, which is what I'm explaining on this video, you click on investor area. So when you open the investor area, you're going to see investor area is a bunch of different traders. Rather, you see traders trading Euro USD, Your key focus is to find traders that have been in the platform for a while, that have low risk but high return, that have good risk to reward ratio, right? And the number of investors that they have. So this right here, we have 116 investors. They have 2 investors. Let's check this guy out. Mini Capital, right? So Mini Capital has been active for 2 days. You know, he has a low risk risk tolerance. Is trading MT5 1:2000 cent account, you know, 116 investor. He has done active in 2 days. He has done 18,659.6%, right? So these are one of the investors. But for you to know the best investors to invest in, just stay with me on the video, right? You need an investor that have been on the platform for more than 2, 3, 4, 5 months, right? So let's be checking different investors, right? That is the essence of this video, for you guys to understand, not just to create the account, but to also guide you on the kind of investor you can invest in, right? But make sure if you don't have an account, or you see this for the first time, you want to try it out, click on the link on the description of this video, create your account, fund it with at least $10 to $20 to get this started with, right? So we have the low risk investor, Carry PT. Click on it. He has been active for 58 days. That's kind of good. 6,132%, 132.85% gain. He's a low risk copy trader, and he has 563 persons copying his account. Account type is sent account, right? So we can see that he's quite doing well, but he has just been active for just 1 month plus, right? It's not up to 2 months. So if that is okay by you, you can pick one of those investors that one of those traders that have many investors with low risk, but you need to check the duration at which they have traded with, right? Let's check this guy out. So here is one of the traders that have been in this copy trading platform for a very, very long while. He has been active for over 7 months. So he Investor C Gold has made a total gain of 1,878.15%. He has been active for 228 days, which is approximately 7 months. He's a low risk trader, a low risk trader. Master capital $1,000 using cent accounts, $1,000 using cent accounts. If you want to follow at least $100 using of 0.10, which is the lot size you're going to be using on this account. His trade is specifically gold. So for those of you that have small capital, make sure your capital is adequate enough or you're ready to risk it, right? Because you need a minimum of $100 at least to follow his trade, because he uses 0.010, right? You fund at least $100 minimum to copy this particular trader. So he has been trading for approximately 7 months, and he has made a total gain of 1,868.15%. If we check the equity we are supposed to see losses. So far so good. He has been doing well. He has a total gain of 802.15%, right? So that's it. That's more like it. So I would advise you, this is one of the repeatable traders you can copy. For you to do that, you click on start copying. When you click on start copying, you choose on cents, you choose on the account. If you have created an account, right, if you have not created, you click on new account. You create an account. The cent account you need to copy, and then what is MT5 he uses. Put your MT5, you put your password, put your MT5, you put your password. Let me put my password. You put your password, you create your account. After you're done creating your account, you set the lot size you are comfortable with using, right? Compared to one standard lot of strategy trading volume, you can, they say, copy new orders or copying including open positions. So you can decide to use 0.10, 0.1, and or if you can use 0.0. Okay, I think the 0.03, that one works. So the minimum position is 0.10 that you can be using on this account, and then you press copy new orders only, agree, and then you now deposit. You can now deposit money. You click on deposit. When you go on the deposit section, you'll be asked local bank transfer, USDT. For the purpose of this video, if you're a Nigerian, use local bank transfer. If you're a foreigner, use USDT TRC, which is one of the best cheapest network to use. Use TRC20. Use TRC20. They will generate an account that you're going to be depositing to. Let me just explain for my foreigners that are watching this video. You click on 10 and then you push on deposit. So if it is $10, you're going to be sending 10 USDT from your wallet to this wallet address that is here. You copy it, and then you press, once you transfer the money, you press submit payment, right? So if you are using local bank transfer, for my Nigerian brothers and sisters, you can come here, click on the minimum you want to deposit. Let's say you're depositing 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira will get you, you're depositing 20,000 naira, you have $14.25, and then click on deposit. Once you press deposit, right, you're going to be taken to account, to Korea Pay account. They're going to transfer to. Once you're finished transferring, accept all these terms and press continue. Accept these terms, click on the account. Once you're finished paying, it will automatically give you a receipt and a notification that your money has gone and then you have paid. Then you will now see the money reflecting on your headway, right? You see the money reflecting on your headway. So that is it for the copy trading. From the beginning of the video, I wanted the video to be brief, concise, and understandable. So I hope in this short period of time I've been able to educate you and enlighten you on how to basically leverage on copy trading while you're still learning how to navigate and trade the financial market. If you like this video and you want me to continue making more videos that could help you maximize opportunities in the trading market and also help you navigate the kind of prop firms that you want to buy or prop firms you should avoid, because I make videos on trading and prop firm and broker reviews on my channel, right? So if you like this video and you want me to keep making more videos like this, do well to leave a like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and more especially if you want to create an account, you want to be part of this copy trading, go on the description of this video, you will see the link, create an account and fund it with at least 10 to 20 to $100 depending on how much you have to fund. So that's it for this video, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.